Hello friends, welcome back to Restart UPSC. So far, we have completed 25 questions in the number systems topic. Now, in this video, we'll be solving from 26 to 30 questions. Right. Now, let's go to the question. How many integers are there between 1 to 100 which have 4 as a digit but are not divisible by 4? We'll take two cases. That is, now we'll fix 4 in the units place. Now we'll fix 4 in the tens place. There is only one position left. That means this position can take values from 0 to 9. That means 10 numbers, 10 possibilities. Now, let's check here. If we put 0 here, if we put 0, it will become 0, 4. This is divisible by 4. So, it can't be the possibility. Now, if we put 1, it will become 14. Yeah, there is 4 in the number, but it is not divisible by 4. Yeah, we can take this. If you put 2, it becomes 24. 24 is divisible by 4. That means this can't be the answer. See, what is the divisibility rule of 4? The divisibility rule of 4 is the last two numbers should be divisible by 4. Now what we are observing? Now let's take the other number as well. Now, if you put 3, it becomes 34. See, whenever you are taking odd numbers, the number is not divisible by 4. That means here the values will be 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. See, 4 is fixed in the tens place. Now we have to substitute units values. Now 4 is fixed in the tens place. Now let's check the values by taking 0 to 9 in the units place. Now if we put 0, it becomes 40. Right? That means this is divisible by 4. No, this can't be the possibilities. If you put 1, it happens, it is 41. If you put 2, it is 42. If you put 3, it is 43. All these consist 4, but they does not divisible by 4. Let's see. If you put 4, it becomes 44. Yes, 44 is divisible by 4. So this can't be the possibilities. The same, if you put 5, it becomes 45, 6, 46, 7, 47. These three are not divisible by 4. So this can be the possibilities. Now by putting 8, it becomes 48. Yes, this is divisible by 4. So this can't be the possibility. Now if you put 9, becomes 49. Yeah. This is not divisible by. What is now what we are observing? 2, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7 and 9. Here there are 5 numbers. Here there are 7 numbers. That means total 5 plus 7 becomes 12 numbers. Right? That means there are 12 integers containing 4 but not divisible by 4. Okay. The option is C. Now, let's go to the next question. What is the largest number among the following? C. What is a power minus b? It is 1 by a power b. Is telling 1 by 2 whole power minus 6. Now we are converting denominator into numerator, numerator into denominator. That becomes 2 power 6. What is the value of 2 power 6? 64. Now let's consider the option B. 1 by 4 power minus 3. What becomes 4 cube? This is nothing but 2 power 6, right? It is 64. Now option C is telling 1 by 3 whole power minus 4. That is 3 power 4. It is 81. Right? Now option B. 1 by 6 whole power minus 2. That is 6 square. 36. What is the largest among all these? 81 is the largest. That means option C is the answer. Now, let's go to the next question. What is telling? What is the greatest length x such that 3 1 by 2 meters and 8 3 by 4 meters are integral multiples of x? See, what is giving? Let's take this as 3.5 meters and 8.75 meters. These values should be integral multiple of x. Means these two are common multiple of some x value. I think it is sounding very similar to a topic which we have read. What is that topic? That is least common factor. For the calculated convenience, we'll take 350 centimeters and 875 centimeters. Now, see, we have to find HCF of these numbers. What is the method of solving for HCF? We'll divide the highest number with the smallest number present. Means 2 times of 350 becomes 700. Now we are getting values 175. Now what we'll do? By the remainder which we get, we'll divide this number here. Now, means we have to place this number here. 350. And now you see 2 times of 175 is 350. 0. That means now this 175 HF is 175 centimeters. That means 1.75 meters. That means what does this 0.75 represent? 1 3 by 4 meters. Right? The 3 by 4th fraction, 3 by 4 is nothing but 0.75. Right? So the answer will be D. Now let's solve the next question. The recurring decimal representation 1.272727 so on is equivalent to, see, this can be written as 1.27 bar. See, the bar represents that only this value is repeating, not this one value. So we can solve this question simply by using the formula for recurring digits. See, this is the formula PDF which I have shared in that CSAT Telegram channel of mine. The channel name is CSAT Snippets. I have already shared this Telegram channel link in the description. Please feel free to check this PDF. See, I have compared every CSAT related aptitude related formulas in the PDF. In the 10th page, you can find the formula for solving recurring decimal into PYQ form. See, these are type 1 question. The formulas are different for each and every type. See here. The question which has asked 1.27 bar, it falls under type 2 question. You see here, not all the numbers given in the question are repeating, only 2 values are repeating, right? So what is the formula? We have to, this is the formula. This is the formula. Okay. We have to write in PYQ form. We have to write the complete number without decimal, and from that we have to subtract the numbers with no bar. See, in the denominator we have to write 9s according to how many number of repeating. Since in the question only 27 were repeating, that means 2 digits are repeating, right? We will write 99, and 10 because only one number with no bar after decimal. See, after decimal there was no other number. It was 1.27 bar, right? That means there is no need of writing here 0. So we'll go to the question. What is the formula here? For PYQ form, we'll write total number without decimal. Total number without decimal minus the number, the digit, I will write like this, the digit which is not repeating. This we have to write from question. Of course, this is also from question. No, the denominator. Denominator, first we'll write the number of 9s depending on the number of 9s in the denominator will depend on the number of numbers recurring in the question. That means here 1.27, where only these values are repeating, right? That means two values are repeating, so we'll take two 9s. And in that type 2 formula, we have seen that we have to write number of zeros depending on the number of values which are not repeating after decimal. See, after decimal, there are no other numbers which are not repeating. So, no need of writing zeros. Now, what is this? The total number 127 minus the digit which is not repeating in the question. What is the digit? 1 is not repeating by 99. That means 126 by 99. We'll simplify. See, the numerator is divisible by 3. That means 3 4s are 3 2s are 3 3s are 3 3s are 42 by 32. This is also further can be simplified. 3 11s are 3 14s are. That means 14 by. This is the answer. Please go through the conversion of recurring decimals into PYQ form formula. It is given in the page number 10 of CSAT formula PDF. Right? Now, for the people who don't want to remember the formula, there is the conventional way of solving this question as well. See, what is given? 1.27 bar, right? See, there are two numbers repeating here. Now, let's consider x is equals to 1.27 bar. Now, what we'll do? We'll let this be equation number 1. Now, let's multiply equation number with 100. What it becomes? 100x is equals to 127.27 bar. This is equation number 2. What we'll do? We'll subtract equation 2. We'll subtract equation 1 from equation 2. What it becomes? 99x is equals to 127.27 minus 1.27 bar. See, what it becomes? 99x is equals to 126. X is equals to 126 by 99. Here 126 by 99. Here 126 by 99. That means after simplifying, we get 14 by 11. See, it is better to remember the formula as well, and also we can do this conventional method also, because every time UPSC may not ask such simple recurring decimal representations, right? Okay. Sometimes remembering formula is also very much helpful, but this sort of conventional method also very useful. Here we got very simple question. That's why we could able to solve it in the conventional method. But sometimes the question can be more complex. That time this formula will help you. So better remember formula as well, and also try to remember the conventional method of solving as also. Okay, now let's go to the next question. What is the least 4-digit number when divided by 3, 4, 5 and 6 leaves a remainder 2 in each case? Okay, let's see. Least 4-digit number. Can you think of it? What is asking? That means the least common multiple, right? But it's telling 4-digit number. That means this 4-digit number will be the multiple of LCM of these values, right? Now, first thing is that we'll find LCM of 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 consists of 3 already, so we can cancel out 3 here. We have to find LCM of 4, 5, 6. 2, 5, 2. What is the LCM? 60. Okay, first we'll find the number which is multiple of 60 and which is the least 4-digit number, right? For this we'll take 1000, which is the least 4-digit number possible, right? We'll divide it by 60. What it comes? 60, 360, remainder is 40. Let's leave remainder by multiplying 60 into 16. We'll get 960. This is 3-digit highest possible multiple of LCM 60. Now we need 4-digit value, right? That means simply 960 plus 60, 1020, right? Now what is value? That means this is the least 4-digit number which is multiple of this LCM 60. Now if you consider directly this one, that means this is the 1020 is divisible by 3, 4, 5 and 6. What is asking? It should leave remainder 2. That means simply we'll add plus 2 to this number. That means 1022. The answer is B. This is the conventional way of solving the questions. Now we'll go to the best method of solving this such type of questions. That is through the options. What is telling? It is leaving the remainder 2. What we'll do? We'll subtract 2 from all these options. What will get? 1010, 1020, 1120, 1220. That means these numbers should be divisible by 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now we'll take 3 here. Why we are taking 3 means, what is the divisibility rule of 3? The sum of each digits present in the number should be divisible by 3. Now what is the sum of the digits? Here it is 2, here it is 3, here it is 4, here it is 5. That means the number, if it is divisible by 3, the sum should be multiple of 3. See here, this is not the multiple of 3, this is not multiple of 3, this is also not multiple of 3. See, only this is satisfying the given problem. That means the answer is 1022. Right? This is the simplest way of solving the question. Okay, friends, we have solved up to 30 questions. This will be the last question for this day. Please share your valuable feedback to me, friends. I will try to improve my explanation or any other way. If you are having any doubts, please let me know. I'll try to clarify in the Telegram channel. And please share these videos to your friends and fellow aspirants who are preparing for civil services examination. Thank you, friends. We'll see you in the next video.